Silhouette on flowing rivers beneath the moonlight. Let your spirit drift, floating on the echoes of a gentle breeze. In the arms of nature, find your endless peace. Whispers of the forest calling you close, magical melodies the wind softly composes, embracing the tranquility of the night. A symphony of stars shining so bright. Oh, let the rivers guide your soul to a place where dreams unfold. In the depths of nature's womb, find solace in the healing